I went inside to get this for you guys. This was taken, I don't know, in the 70s? No. This was taken in like the early 90s. And this was the bug completely restored. I have that bumper somewhere. But he took the wheels. And that's the car right there. So I know the owner, he gave me that car. He bought it brand new. And he gave it to me with hopes that I would bring it back to life. Get it moving again, because this was his baby. So I kept this photo he gave me. It's a little stained, but I kept this photo he gave me, and I look at it pretty much every day, and that's been my itch to move that. So we got to get it back to this, but not this. Lower, not as shiny. And these are drag wheels. Those are like a setup of drag wheels. Looks kind of neat. All right, this piece of shit. we just rented a U-Haul, a 20-foot U-Haul. A little bit overkill. We don't quite need this at all, but I figured might as well do a dump run, and I can pull the Beetle up to the house with this, and get some stuff done this morning. And it only cost me like 40-50 bucks to rent this thing, so why not? They just didn't have anything else. This is kind of a pile of shit, but this is what it is. Now it's time to pound the snot out of it. Thank you, U-Haul. Beauty. So I got the U-Haul truck home. I'm filming these with my sunglasses, the Ray-Ban Stories. But I got the U-Haul truck home, just loaded up all my trash and stuff. But I gotta wiggle down this road back there to get the Beetle. So we're gonna try and wiggle it down. Shed's a little bit tight right there. I gotta back it down and then hopefully hook onto the Beetle, pull it ahead. I don't know. I only have this thing for a couple hours, so I gotta try and make it work, I guess. Just put that there. It's good. I think the keys are in it. Yep. Alright. We wiggled it down here. I tucked this down here a year ago. So I gotta figure out how to get it out of there without fucking it up. Because I've stacked 6x6s right here. Oh, they turn. Beautiful. Okay. Let's just hook up to it and see what happens. So I gotta move it forward to get those wheels turned anyways. So back this up. It's moving. It's pretty rotten. What are we stuck on? U-Haul. Beautiful. So this should come out all right. Just keep going. No, turn that back a little bit. It's using the old D-ring. All right, well, just pull it out. It wants to come out, and then I gotta go. U-Haul wants this thing back in 4 hours. It's coming. Good old U-Haul. This is the only van they had. You know, it just works out. So we got it pulled out of there. It actually came out pretty easy. I'm just going to pull it up beside the house now so I have quick access to it and can start cleaning it out, getting it ready to go in the garage. We're riding the grass a little bit, so we got to get it over. Hard part, I guess, will be just going through that small opening, but I'll just have to keep getting in and out. And we hit it. It's not anchored in, so maybe I can just... It's frozen though. That's better. Keep going. The old Ford van. I don't know if I'm like 20 times getting in and out of this now, but shout out to Timmy's and U-Haul. Without you, wouldn't happen. Without you, it just wouldn't happen. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy out here talking to myself, but... Alright, so we gotta go to the dump now, drop off everything in the back of that truck, and then, that is absolutely beautiful. Okay. 69 is up by the house. I put it by the stairs so I can bring the air compressor out here, fill these tires up. I'm going to vacuum and blow this thing out head to toe, because it's obvious some mice got in there. I got the new floor pan supposed to be here today, and then we can start, this thing's got to get taken off, the body's got to come off the floor pan, then repair the floor pan and drive on. New heater channels, whatnot. Wow, that heater channel looks pretty good. Jesus. Those heater channels look better than mine, for fuck's sakes. Beautiful. Okay. It's got a trunk on it. I haven't looked at this one in a minute. I'm excited to have it up here. After a year of sitting, brought it up with the old U-Haul truck, and 40 bucks. Got all my garbage gone for before the winter, and got the Beetle pulled up side of the house. I don't think I have any more garbage kicking around. It needs one back glass. The rest of the glasses are fine. It obviously needs all new seals everywhere. Does it have a fuel tank in it? It does. It's got a good fuel tank in it. This is actually pretty clean. It's got a washer bottle. It's got a coolant bottle. Up here's obviously the problem area. This bottom spot. I mean, it's going to be a rat rod, so we got to fix up the body a little bit, but we don't have to go crazy. It's more structural with this thing. So, beautiful. It's up here. That is step 1. FedEx needs to get here. That is step 2. Cool. Alright. The 69 is up by the house. I'm going to wear my snowsuit into town. Fuck it. Alright, well guys, that's the first video on the 1969 Volkswagen buggy. Keep you up to date on this one too. I'm really excited about this one. This one's a big deal for me. It's got a whole story behind it. I've got the ownership for it. I know the guy who bought it brand new. It was given to me for free. So we got to bring it back to life. I just wanted to show you that. This is the Beetle in the early 90s. And now it's 2023, and she's seen better days, obviously, but pretty cool. Pretty cool.